So imagine this, it's Friday evening and you are just going to log out. But at 6 p.m. sharp, you get a message from someone. You check your Slack and it's the cute girl from your team saying hi. So obviously you are a great person. You replied with a hi and she started typing. Hey man, I was working on a payment service from last 2 days. I ran some command and all my changes are gone. I don't know how, but somehow my commits are vanishing. So in this video, we are going to help that girl and prove that you are the most talented person in your team. So this is a problem. Payment service is null pointing in production. Your colleague, that cute girl, pushed a hotfix to hotfix payment null check at this particular time. Then they ran a command to sync their branch and now the fix is gone. Git log is showing only 2 commits and the fixed commit has vanished. Your job is to prove that girl that you can handle any problem even if it's a Friday night and you are going to restore their branch. So let us quickly start with git log only, because we should not trust anyone saying okay my commits are gone, because how can your commits be gone if you have done them? So there are only 2 commits. Maybe the girl is saying right. So git log is not showing anything, but we have a special command that shows all the history even if it is not present in the git log. So before jumping to that particular command, I will try to show you how git log is working right now here. So let us go to our whiteboard. So let's say this is the branch that we are working on. That girl started working from here and this was the initial commit that they made. Now they made another commit that was commit B, and then they made this particular commit that was commit C. So at this particular situation, if I ran this git log command, it will show me all these commits. But if I do this particular thing, that is git hard reset one, it will pick our pointer from here. It will start pointing to B. C commit will be gone permanently, right? This commit won't be there. So now we have deleted this particular commit, and this is the history that git log is showing, and this is the same situation we are in right now. So what can we do in this condition when the history is not present in git log? So there is one special command, that is git reflog, that lists all the hashes of those commit where the pointer has pointed from this branch is created. So say if my pointer was pointing to A, then B, then C, then D, and someone have deleted that particular history using hard reset or whatever reason, that particular thing will be gone from git logs. It will be present in git reflog. So git reflog is not a common command that people generally use, but this is a special command that you should know in case situations like these occur. So what we need to do is we need to somehow restore this particular commit. Right now our pointer is pointing to this particular commit. We have seen this via git log. So if I run git log commit, my head is pointing to this particular commit, that is this one, right? And we need to somehow restore this to this particular commit. So we will again run git reset uh, hard, and we will pass this particular hash. Now we have restored this particular commit. Now if I do git log, this particular commit is restored. The fix that cute girl was trying to implement is there. Now to verify if our solution is correct or not, we can simply run verify lab. Okay, so our commit is back, payment service is safe, and the cute girl is impressed. Now she is asking us to go for a coffee next weekend. Well done. So this is one vanishing commit problem around git reflog and git log. So people generally don't use these types of command in day-to-day life. We only came across git commit, git amend, or maybe git push or even whatever. But these are some special command that can save your life in these situations. So in the next video, we are going to see the wrong branch merge, in which someone merged their feature branch into main by mistake. Checkout is broken in production. Two other developers have already pushed commits on top of that branch. Undo it without changing their work and without rewriting shared history. So there was this particular main branch and someone merged their branch on that particular main branch. On top of that, two other people have merged their changes on main branch, and now it's a mess and we need to solve this particular mess. So we will see this problem in the next video. So this was for this video. If you like the problem or if you like this scenario, do let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.